Have you ever meticulously budgeted for the month only to find mysterious charges on your account? Maybe you're a Rocket Money user, diligently tracking your finances, and suddenly transactions vanish like a magician's trick. Don't worry, you're not alone. A missing transaction here and there can be frustrating, throwing your entire financial view out of whack. But fear not, savvy spenders. Today's episode dives deep into the world of Rocket Money transactions and tackles the pesky problem of disappearing debits and credits. We'll explore the common reasons why your transactions might be playing hide and seek and equip you with the knowledge to get them back into the spotlight. So, grab your favorite budgeting buddy, a spreadsheet, a notebook, or maybe that piggy bank in the corner, because it's time to wrangle those rogue transactions. The usual suspects: why transactions go missing. First things first, let's identify the culprits behind the disappearing act. Here are some of the most common reasons why your Rocket Money transactions might not be showing up. Transaction processing time. There's a slight delay between when a transaction occurs and when it appears in your Rocket Money account. Banks and financial institutions take some time to process transactions, and Rocket Money waits for confirmation before displaying them. This lag can be anywhere from a few hours to a couple of business days. So, if you just swiped your card, take a deep breath and give it some time to appear. Pending transactions. Sometimes, transactions might be listed as pending on your Rocket Money account. This means the authorization for the purchase has gone through, but the final settlement hasn't happened yet. This can occur with gas station purchases, hotel stays, or car rentals where a temporary hold is placed on your funds. Once the final amount is settled, the transaction will switch from pending to a confirmed status. Account syncing hiccups. Rocket Money relies on syncing information from your bank accounts to give you a holistic view of your finances. Occasionally, this syncing process might encounter hiccups due to technical issues or temporary server outages. If this happens, your transactions might not show up for a short while. The good news is that these glitches are usually resolved quickly, and your transactions should reappear within a day or two. Incorrect account linking. Double-check that you've linked the correct bank accounts to your Rocket Money account. An incorrect link means transactions from that specific account won't be reflected in your Rocket Money view. Troubleshooting tips. Unleash the transaction tracker. Now that we've identified the common culprits, let's get to the fun part: troubleshooting. Here are some steps you can take to track down those missing transactions. Patience is a virtue. As mentioned earlier, there might be a processing delay. Give your transactions a day or two to show up before diving into troubleshooting. Refresh and retry. Sometimes, a simple refresh of your Rocket Money app or web page can work wonders. It might just nudge those transactions into appearing. Manual account review. If a refresh doesn't do the trick, log into your actual bank account and double-check the transactions there. This will help you confirm if the transaction actually occurred and narrow down the issue. Unlink and relink. If you suspect an incorrect account linking, unlink the problematic account from your Rocket Money and then relink it. This can sometimes resolve syncing issues. Contact Rocket Money support. If you've tried all the above and your transactions are still missing in action, don't hesitate to reach out to Rocket Money's support team. They're there to help and can investigate the issue further. Bonus tip: categorize and conquer. While we're on the topic of transactions, here's a bonus tip for all you budgeting enthusiasts. Once your transactions are showing up, take some time to categorize them. Rocket Money allows you to categorize your spending, which helps you understand where your money is going. Are you spending more on groceries than you thought? Do those daily lattes add up faster than you realize? Categorization sheds light on your spending habits and empowers you to make informed financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.